Once upon a time, there was a curious little monkey named Joseph who lived happily in a beautiful jungle. Unlike the other monkeys, Joseph loved exploring new things and always wondered what existed beyond the forest. One day, while searching for fruits near the edge of the jungle, Joseph accidentally climbed into a fruit truck filled with bananas, apples, and grapes. Tired after playing all day, he fell asleep inside the basket of fruits. When he woke up, he was no longer in the jungle. The truck had reached a busy village. People gathered around in surprise. Some children laughed and teased him, while others felt sorry for him and offered him bananas, mangoes, and other fruits. Slowly, Joseph became friendly with the village children. For the first time in his life, Joseph saw a school. He watched children reading books, writing on notebooks, and listening carefully to their teacher. Joseph thought, "This is why humans are so intelligent. They learn new things every day." A few days later, Joseph discovered technology. He saw mobile phones, computers, lights, fans, and machines. He was amazed at how humans used knowledge to make life easier. Then he noticed something even more important. People in the village worked together. They cleaned the streets, helped each other, and followed rules to keep everything organized. Joseph realized humans become successful because they live with unity, knowledge, and teamwork. As time passed, Joseph started missing his jungle and his animal friends. One evening, he quietly left the village and began his long journey back home. After many difficulties, rivers and mountains, he finally reached the jungle. All the animals were excited to see him again. The next day, Joseph called a big meeting in the jungle. Lions, elephants, deer, rabbits, parrots, and monkeys all gathered around him. Joseph stood on a rock and said, "Humans are not stronger than us, but they have education, technology, and unity. If we learn and work together, we can also change our jungle and make it a better world." The animals loved his idea. Soon the jungle began to change. The monkeys started learning from books. Birds shared news across the jungle. Elephants helped build homes and schools. Animals learned to use simple technology while protecting nature. And slowly, the jungle became a smarter, happier, and more peaceful place for everyone. Moral of the story: knowledge, unity, and hard work can change any world for the better.